Hey everybody, happy Friday everyone. We are here for kind of an update on Hooked on Pickin. We have a really cool discount for you on the website, and so definitely run over to hookedonpickin.com and you're going to get 30% off everything on hookedonpickin.com. But I'm going to talk about the upcoming transition to the new building and what we're going to do and what the plan is and how you're going to be able to be a part of it. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about that. All right, so the most important thing is you guys need to be a part of our moving to the new building. And your part is to buy as much as possible so we move as little as possible as far as our inventory is concerned. So we have still been putting things on hookedonpickin.com. There's been no slowdown with that kind of stuff. And so go to hookedonpickin.com. We currently right now have 30% off. It's an automatic discount. It's going to be for today and tomorrow. All right, there will be a video tomorrow. We're going to a very special place where we're traveling, and you're going to get to see that. I'm not going to tell you. I've been teasing you about it for a couple of days, but it's a really fun thing that's kind of happening with our family and just with our life in general. And so it's not Hawaii, not yet. We have to hit that 100,000 subscriber list.
You can't go there in a day and come back.
That's true. We can't just go there today and come back.
That would be nice, though.
That would be nice. So it's not Hawaii yet, but we are very quickly approaching that 100,000 subscriber mark. And so keep on liking and subscribing. But if you go to hookedonpickin.com, we have discounted the entire clearance section. So definitely check out clearance. We got stuff as low as how much, Paul?
You got a penny, a dime,
What?
a quarter. Well,
Stop.
20. I think, did I do 25 cents or 24 cents? I can't remember.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Super duper discounts for stuff that we've just simply had on the website for a long time because we had such a large quantity. So it's not that the stuff isn't good. It's just we had such a high quantity of it that we just discounted to get to move it. So go to hookedonpickin.com, buy all of the things, fill that cart, get over that $100 mark so they can get the free shipping. And it, like I said, it's today, Friday, and Saturday for that. Also, Sunday, we have an amazing video. I'm super excited about this.
It is cool.
Because we are going to show you the entire transition of what we did with some of the shelving in the space and all of the help we had. So it's going to be really super fun for all of that. And so you'll be able to see that whole process there. Next week, this is the plan. So next week, we're going to have a fire sale on Monday. So just like your regular scheduled programming, we're going to have a fire sale on Monday. We've got these pallets here. That will be, selling some things out of there and also some things off the inventory to get it moved. This stuff will get moved as well to the new, we've got a few pallets here still left. We'll get moved to the new building, but then we're also going to be doing a fire sale on Monday. So definitely stay tuned for the fire sale on Monday because our goal is to move as much product as possible before we start moving all of the inventory to the new building because the less we have to move, the easier it will be for us. But you should not see any hiccup on the website. You should always see products on the website to be able to move. And so our goal is to basically fluctuate the inventory as we're moving it. It will be unavailable for that literally probably 20-minute time frame.
What day are we doing that?
We're moving all of the inventory on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and we will be filming that whole process. And also, I'm going to kind of show you some of the inventory that we have. We're still kind of a little bit of a mess here, but we've got inventory here. And so basically what we'll do is we'll take this item and it will be unavailable for about 20 minutes when we move it from this location to the next location. And so it will basically, right now it's on this shelf and then we'll put a new location there, and so just for about a 20-minute time frame for just a few items at a time. So you might see the inventory kind of shift a little bit, but you can still buy everything. We will know where everything is at this location and the new location, and it'll all get packaged together in one package, I promise. And so that'll be a really fun thing. So we're gonna move all of this stuff. Everything in the drawers will get moved. And like you can see, we've kind of been slimming some things down so that we can still get everything moved.
Yeah, it's actually gone pretty well, I think.
Yeah, and I still feel like we have a lot still on hookedonpickin.com.
We do.
Because we've still been putting new things on.
Right.
So some of these things are still, like, we just unboxed this, I think, last week. And so we do have quite a bit of items that are still brand new, and we don't want to stop that.
Doing a lot of the jewelry has helped too because it's smaller. a little bit easier to move.
Yeah, and keychains and stuff like that. So we've
Yep.
got some cute little keychains and stuff here. So, and we're also going to make sure that we update all of our inventory numbers and stuff like that. So we're counting everything as we're moving it. But we have a really good crew that's going to have a few people here, a few people up at the new place. We're going to kind of record that whole process of moving all of the inventory. So we're really excited about that. So that'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then Friday is the day we're going to be moving a lot of the big stuff. So we'll be moving filing cabinets, we'll be moving tables, we'll be moving desks, all of that stuff, and getting it all set up.
I'll show you one thing if I can real quick here. I had this really weird thing. I don't know, maybe not weird. You want to show them what's in this box over here, this pallet over here? See if I can even get down to it. I don't know if I want to cut it yet. Okay, I've got massage chairs.
Yes.
We got 4 pretty large massage chairs.
So if you are local and would like to buy a massage
yeah,
chair,
probably local pickup would probably be the best for
Yeah.
it, but I guess I could maybe ship it. Could you ship a large massage
I
chair?
think you have to pay freight to do it. And we've never done freight on a pallet, but it's not out of the realm of possibility.
Yeah, that's true.
Or if you live close and you just want to come pick it up, we do have 4 massage chairs that we do need to move.
I want to put one up in the break room.
One's going to go in the break room, but Shannon actually owns one of these exact massage chairs, and she loves it. She uses it all the time, and it works great.
They're really nice. I got them from 888 Lots, and they've done real well.
Yep.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in those, send us an email, and we'll kind of get back with you on pricing and all that stuff, and what it would take to kind of get it to you. If you're local, that's definitely not a problem. But they're in boxes that you probably, if you have an SUV or a pickup truck, you could easily put it in that.
But that's one of the things we had talked about, that maybe we can sell like massage chairs and
Larger things.
larger items like locally. Yeah.
So remember, 30% off today and tomorrow on the hookedonpickin.com website. So I am counting on you guys to make our life easier. You guys have already made our life easier.
Oh, yeah.
You have supported our business and encouraged us and given us ideas for new products to sell, and all of that could not have been accomplished without you guys. But another ask I'm asking you is, can you please go to hookedonpickin.com? It's spelled exactly like you see here, no little apostrophe, so just hookedonpickin and then the .com. And so definitely go there and check out the clearance section, because Paul has already lowered everything, and it is an automatic discount that shows up in the cart.
If you want to keep checking back, I will keep trying to have at least 200 items on clearance. So like if all of a sudden 20 items get sold out in an hour, I'll just lower other items and try to keep that filled. So it might change over time in the next couple of days. So check back. Yeah.
So we're really excited about the move and all the space we're going to have. For one, everything is on the main level.
Oh, yeah.
And like I said, make sure you tune into that Sunday video, which the Saturday and Sunday video will drop at 5 o'clock both days. And so definitely tune into that so that you can see the process of that whole thing and how we're kind of starting that whole section, because I kind of explained where we're putting everything.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited. I'm so excited. So anyway, thanks so much for joining us. Make sure you run over to hookedonpickin.com, get that discount, and make sure you tune in tomorrow to see where we went and why we went, so you can see that fun video. Okay, thanks for joining us, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.